Balance 20 USD only. Broker Exness unlimited leverage account. Trading gold full margin using unlimited leverage.
Three, two, one.
Triangle breaking out strategy on gold 5-minute time frame. This is my one of best strategy to flipping 20 USD account using unlimited leverage. In this strategy, I am not holding my trade for hours. It's only few minutes because I am trading full margin using unlimited leverage. All set, let's wait for the result.
A few moments later.
Market reacted to our setup nicely. I added multi-layering using unlimited leverage to get maximum profit. Profit already 100%.